Apple is reportedly developing a new Apple TV. If you're currently considering purchasing one and questioning whether a new version is on the horizon, or if waiting for it is worthwhile, let's break down all the rumors so you can make an informed decision. Rumors are swirling about Apple's upcoming Apple TV, and while it may not be the most thrilling news for everyone, there's an interesting upgrade in the works. Reports suggest that this device could be among the first to include Apple's latest custom-built Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, this chip will introduce support for Wi-Fi 6E, an improvement over the existing model's Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6E expands on Wi-Fi 6 by utilizing the 6 GHz band, delivering faster speeds and minimizing interference when used with compatible routers and devices. This upgrade matters because a stable and uninterrupted streaming experience is essential for enjoying your favorite content. Additionally, the Apple TV serves as one of the few devices that can function as a HomeKit hub, managing smart home gadgets. With this new chip, we might see enhancements in how the Apple TV interacts with smart home technology, potentially boosting performance and reliability. When it comes to design, not much is expected to change. The box might become slightly thinner, as Apple has been focusing on making its devices more compact. However, the overall design will likely remain the same. The available ports should also be unchanged, including the built-in power connector, gigabit Ethernet for those with the Wi-Fi and Ethernet model, and an HDMI port. There haven't been any significant design leaks about the next Apple TV, but according to Gurman, Apple is considering integrating a built-in camera in a future version. With tvOS 17, Apple introduced a FaceTime app for the Apple TV, allowing users to make video calls by utilizing the rear camera of a connected iPhone or iPad. If a built-in camera were added, users wouldn't need an external device for video calls, making the experience much more seamless. This feature could be particularly beneficial for families who frequently use FaceTime and want a more convenient setup without having to mount an iPhone or iPad. It could also be a useful addition for offices and conference rooms, where Apple TVs are already commonly used. Unsurprisingly, the upcoming Apple TV is expected to feature a more advanced chip, delivering faster performance. The current model runs on the A15 Bionic chip, which handles most tasks effortlessly. However, since its release, Apple has introduced newer A-series chips, including the A16 Bionic, A17 Pro, and the A18 and A18 Pro. The A17 Pro seems like a logical choice, especially for gaming. This chip significantly enhances hardware-accelerated ray tracing, making it a strong contender. Apple has also emphasized its Apple Arcade lineup, highlighting new games across the iPhone, Mac, and iPad. Additionally, Apple has demonstrated games running on the Apple TV where users can easily connect a Bluetooth controller. This makes it a great option for casual gamers looking for an immersive experience. Another area where the A17 Pro could be a game changer is Apple Intelligence. This technology has the potential to make a significant impact. Competitors like Amazon have already integrated AI into their streaming devices, and Apple could follow suit with smart features that simplify content discovery. AI-driven recommendations based on user preferences would help navigate the overwhelming amount of available content, making it easier to find something worth watching. Lastly, the Apple TV might see a price drop. While the A17 Pro chip could make it challenging to hit a price below $100, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes it's still possible. Currently, the device is available at $149 and $129 depending on the model you choose. The release date for the next Apple TV remains uncertain. Looking at Apple's history, its launch pattern has been unpredictable, with past models debuting in October, April, March, and even twice in September. Based on that, maybe it will wager a similar timeline. Recent rumors suggest a late 2025 launch, likely between September and December. If you're planning to purchase a new Apple streaming box this year and don't want to wait until the usual September to December release window, go for it. There likely won't be many major features you'll miss out on, though it will be a little disappointing about not having Apple Intelligence. However, if AI recommendations aren't a big deal for you and you prefer choosing what to watch on your own, then any of the current Apple TV models should be a solid choice. They offer a sleek, minimal design and a premium experience for your home entertainment setup. We love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What are your expectations for the future of Apple TV? Are there any specific features you wish Apple would add? Share your opinions below. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.